pretty much manipulating matter in a three-dimensional space, or what we perceive as three-dimensional space based on current scientific studies. All right, just want to blow on the enclosed object. That's a piece of tin foil folded four ways and suspended on or placed on top of a simple sewing needle. But let me just blow. So blow onto the container so you can see that it's more or less airtight. All right, that should prove it. All right, just wanna do a few simple breathing exercises. Not gonna take long. Just gonna focus my mind, thoughts, whatever. Just trying to balance myself. All right. Let me increase the distance. Try it with one hand. Hopefully, I hope to work my way up to not needing to use my hand. I look at the hand as more or less a wand, like a magic wand or a wand from the Harry Potter films for those who were born like 10 years ago. But I think because the hand is more or less, I'm looking at it as a wand, so it's a better visual right now to manipulate the energy around us, or maybe I'm just more or less condensing it slightly, if that even makes any sense. I mean, I'm trying to explain what I want to say and using current grammar. There's particular concepts that I believe in or that I study that there's no words to get across when I'm trying to convey to people. So it sucks because I can't say what I want to say. I can say it, but I have to consciously search out for words, to convey my thoughts, and it's fucking boring sometimes. So it's better to just show. Well, like I said, I hope to be able to move on to larger objects, but better to just start small and work my way up, and then work my way back down again to even smaller objects. If you heard that in the background, that was the Red Queen from Resident Evil. I've been researching the abilities of the mind, empathic abilities, telepathic, precognition, psychokinesis, telekinesis, for years now. I believe it started in the second grade. Yeah, I can remember the day. I can remember the day that that's when my interest in it started, because a classmate had showed me a trick with a pencil leaning off half of the table and he was moving it without touching it, and that piqued my interest. So ever since then, movies or television shows, books that dealt with that phenomenon, if you want to call it telekinesis, go right ahead. But ever since that day, I've been trying to, you know, duplicate that effect. So sorry, I tapped the cup by accident, but I think at this point you saw me not touching it, so I hope you don't believe. Well, you can. I'm just showing you what I'm doing here. If you believe there's any trickery involved, um, I mean that's free for you to think. But from this side of the camera screen, everything's legit. So, well, that's it. That's it for now, anyway. Until the next upload.